Hello, yeah. Welcome to my YouTube channel. The name's remain the same. I'm Kenneth Rhymes, a co-founder of Rundel Technology Company. Yeah, so no time to waste. On today's episode, I'm very hungry about Ivan Venture. So recently I did a video about the reason why I am away and left Ivan's house, apartment in America, and the following day I saw Ivan posted something on his community on YouTube. Yeah, so it's like Ivan is trying to be an ungrateful and a sellout. Let me say something. If someone help you, no matter what the person will do to you, let's say badly, you shouldn't come publicly to say something bad at him, no matter what, because that person that was the same person who hold your hands from 8k to 11 point something k subscribers on YouTube because of his support and his help. So there's no need for you to be ungrateful here. Like I saw Ivan saying that there was a lot of things going on in the house and it's time for him to spill everything out. What's all these things? Like I don't know. He's trying to create some tension or something like that. Because I am helped you a lot in your own apartment and your YouTube journey life. I know you are a traveler, like you travel a lot, you are a travel blogger, but because of I am out visit, you try to do different content on your YouTube channel and it was going in as well because of Ayamara's help. So why are you trying to tell the public that Ayamara and the lady, there's a lot of things going on in the house and you're ready to spill it out because you're trying, you knew you were friends? What's all this thing? You're sounding like you want to sell him out to his enemies. Bro, don't be a sellout nigga. Because we are all here to make peace. Like cause like I'm have helped you a lot. The niggas help you a lot. So why all these things? Like why you're trying to sound like you are a sellout, you're ungrateful and things? Yeah, like you know something. Some people can never be in your custody or in your same route for the rest of his life. At times, he must leave his father's house and go to his own house, make some things possible. So leaving your house to his own apartment, but is it jealousy or envy? Is it jealousy or envy? It's not good. Like I saw this community, like the post you posted yesterday on your community, and I was like, why all these things? Like you're trying to give all these content creators like that YouTube reactors content for them to create, because like the guy helped you a lot and there's no way for you to sell the guy out or be ungrateful. I know you hosted the guy in your apartment, but what happens in LA must stay in LA. What happens in New York City must stay in New York City. Don't try to be like you're a sellout nigga, bro. That thing is not fair. So I saw this person, I was like, so this nigga don't remember what Ayamara has done for him or what? And I realized people always be people. African people will always be African people. No matter what you do for them, they will still be at your back, like insulting you for the little mistake you did. And that's not fair. What Ivan is doing is not fair, but you see all these content creators will be like, what Ivan is doing is good. What's good about this? What is good about what he's doing? What is good about it? Bro, no matter what, you have to remember, for the past 2 weeks, you have moved from 8 point something k to 11 point something k. 3,000 addiction is not joke. Some people have been on YouTube for a past decade and they haven't even get 100 subscribers. And someone has helped you get this 3,000 addition to your 8 point something K subscribers, and you're sounding like you're ungrateful, you're a sellout nigga. Bro, that's not fair. No matter what, like let's say if something bad happen between you niggers, at least you have to make it stay in between you niggers. It shouldn't come out. It shouldn't come out. It's not fair. You're both man, like yo. So you have to solve some things amicably. And I mean, I believe that this like Ivan is trying to create some tension. Nothing happened. The guy said, "Yo, bro, my time at fresh and I want to move from your house." That's it. Because you know that you'll not get him to create content with him again. You're trying to sound like you're ungrateful, and that's unfair, bro. That's unfair. Because like when I saw that post, like it pissed me off. It really pissed me off. Like I was like, yo, what's all these things? And like posting this like, yo, it's time for you to break some things down. Like all this shit, bro, doesn't it like there's nothing, like we don't want to hear anything, bro. We don't want to hear anything. My little advice to him is like, yo, bro, you have to know the people you mingle with. Yo, some people are enemies, but they have covered love on their body, so you see that yo, they are loved ones, but inside their hearts, you are the best person, like yo, to be with, bro. So you have to Charlie know the kind of people you are mingling with, yeah, bro. Because what Ivan is doing right now, like it really pisses me off. I don't know whether like you guys have planned these things or something like that, but what he's doing right now, when we talk about this, you'll be like, yo, bro, yo, bro, yo, bro. Like, yo, Charlie, this shit is not fair, and we have to condemn it. Let's condemn it, bro. Someone have helped you from 8,000 to 11,000, and just because he wants to move from your apartment, you're trying to sound like right now you guys are enemies, bro. We are all people, like we're all one Africa, one blood, one color, Charlie, bro. We don't have to hate on other, like each other. I'm in your house and I want to move from your house. That's simple. That's simple. So my last advice to Ivan is like, yo, bro, no matter what they said, what happens in New York City, have to stay in New York City. Don't be a sellout nigger and don't be ungrateful. I'm out.